In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Autogpt is and how to use it effectively. Whether you're a beginner stepping into the world of AI or a seasoned developer looking to optimize your use of automated technologies, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into it. Firstly, you need to visit the website cognosis.aa or agentgpt.reworkd.ai. These platforms provide access to AutoGPT and similar AI technologies that can be incredibly useful for a variety of tasks. Once there, locate the button that says Get Started or Launch App. Clicking this will lead you into the setup process. The next step involves signing in. You'll be prompted to either sign in with Google or create a new account. If you already have a Google account, signing in with it can be quick and hassle-free. If you're new, I'd recommend setting up an account. This will be crucial as you navigate through the site and begin to personalize your experience with the AI tools available. Now, it's time to personalize your AI experience. You'll want to start by entering an agent name. Think of this name as a way to identify your AI assistant, so make it something memorable and relevant to your task. This name doesn't need to be elaborate. Even a simple name can be effective for quick identification. Following the naming of your agent, the next step is to enter a specific goal. This is essentially the task you want the AI to accomplish. Be clear and concise when defining this goal, whether it's generating ideas, managing data, or any other specific task. Setting a clear aim will significantly enhance the outcome. This goal-setting phase is critical because it directs the AI's focus and ensures that its efforts are aligned with your requirements. Once your agent has a name and a goal, you'll see an option to deploy agent or start. Click on it to initiate the AI operations. This is where the magic begins as the AI starts generating steps and completing them autonomously. One of the impressive features of AutoGPT is its ability to autonomously plan and execute tasks, which minimizes the need for constant human intervention. As your AI works through the tasks, you'll be able to watch its progress in the browser window. Here, you can observe the steps being taken in real time. It's worth noting that you have complete control over the process. You can choose to stop the AI or make edits at any point if you feel necessary. This flexibility ensures you're always in the driver's seat, even as the AI handles the workload. That wraps it up for today's tutorial. With these steps, you now know what AutoGPT is and how you can start using it to streamline your tasks. Remember, the key to success with AutoGPT is clear goal setting and an understanding of its features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials.